Good morning, students. Today we will discuss how to solve word problems of length. We have already discussed the rules of solving different word problems. So, here we have to first read out the statement. Tom is 100 centimeter tall and Jill is 88 centimeter tall. How much taller is Tom than Jill? So here we have given the height of Tom and Jill and how much taller is Tom than Jill. So we have to find how much taller is Tom as compared to Jill. So it means this word problem is of subtraction. Now let's solve this word problem by using these numbers. Let's solve. Now we have to subtract 88 centimeter from 100 centimeter. But look, the number on the bottom is greater than the number on the top. It means here we need to borrow a number from its neighboring place. But look, here we have 0. So first we have to borrow a number for this from its neighboring place, that is from 1. So when we borrow a number, here we are left with 0. And here now we have 10. Now here we have 10. So we can easily borrow a number from this. So when we borrow a number, here we are left with only 9. And here we have now 10 because 110 plus 0 ones is equal to 10. So we have to subtract this 8 from 10 and this 8 from 9. And here we have nothing. So when we subtract 8 from 10, we are left with, we are left with only 2. So write 2 here, and when we subtract 8 from 9, we are left with 1. So don't forget to write its unit, that is centimeters. It means when we subtract 88 centimeter from 100 centimeter, we are left with 12 centimeter. So this is how we can subtract a word problem. First we have to read the statement and then to understand the statement. The statement is of addition, subtraction or multiplication. So when we get to know about this, we will solve the sums easily. So when we subtract 88 centimeter from 100 centimeter, we get 12 centimeter. It means Tom is 12 centimeter more taller than Jill. So let's solve this word problem. Niti buys 19 meter of cloth. Ritu buys 34 meter of cloth. How much cloth do the two girls buy? So this word problem is of, yes, tell me. Yes, this word problem is of addition because here we need to find the total cloth. The two girls buys, we have to find that. So let's solve. So first we have to add the values of ones place. So add 9 and 4. So keep this 9 in your mind and 4 in your finger boxes. So what we get? Yes, we get 13. So we have to write 3 here and 1 will go here in the box. So now at tens place we have to add 1, 1 and 3. So what is the total? Yes, 5. So it means we have 53, yes, meters. Don't forget to write the unit. So the two girls buy 53 meter cloth together. Now let's solve this word problem. Length of one side of a square is 5 centimeter. What is the length of all the sides of the square? It means we have to find the total of all the sides of a square. This is a square and these are its sides. So we have to find the total of all the sides. If one side of a square is 5 centimeter, all the sides are of 5 centimeters. So 4 times 5. Let's solve. Here we have 4 sides and the length of each side is 5 centimeter. So this is a repeated addition. It means we can get our answer by multiplying these. So 5 times 4. 5 into 4. Yes. Very good. 20. So we have to find here the length of all the sides. It means here we need to write its unit, that is centimeter. So the length of all the sides of a square is 20 centimeter, or we can say the total of all the sides of a square is 20 centimeter.